Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, Medulla, local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers is a local moving company in Medulla that aims to relieve residents of the stress of DIY relocation. They have a team of expert movers who help you carefully pack your items and neatly crate them. They handle all the heavy lifting and ensure your items are adequately loaded and safely delivered to your preferred location. They also are well-versed in the city's topography and can provide helpful information about the city of Medulla and easily navigate the city to deliver your items within 24 hours. On getting to your new location, their team unpacks your items and arranges them so you can settle in quickly to your new environment. 3 Movers has a proven track record of over 1 million moves, a testament to their credibility and longevity. And they bill per hour rate for local moves. The physical, mental, and financial stress of general relocations is why people employ moving company services. 3 Movers is a top-rated moving company that has been serving the city of Medulla for several years. 3 Movers services are budget-friendly. They also have one of the best shipping rates compared to other moving companies. They provide free quotes to help you estimate the cost of relocation and help you save expenses from extra charges incurred during a long-distance relocation. 3 Movers also provide storage moving units to their clients to safely store their belongings or items for long or short periods of time using high-quality climate-controlled storage units. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Medulla moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.